Good morning, boys and girls. Oh, no, it's actually good afternoon. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is Monday, October 5th, 2020. And today we are going to work on lesson number 12. What lesson? Yes, 12. Let's remind ourselves, what's our daily goal? Our daily goal is make sure we are very focused and complete our assignment, and we submit the work and score an 85 or higher. What are the materials that we need for today? Today, you need a pencil, your spiral, boys and girls. You need a spiral, book number 2, and book number 3. Now let's review our expectations. Make sure you always sit tall with quiet hands. We've been telling you to make sure you have all the materials in the same area and they're ready to park. So when it's class time, you're ready to go. That you participate by doing your work. That you always go back to the channels or the videos to see it again, to make sure you answer any questions you might have, or just reach out to me or Miss Allen. That when we are in live class, you raise your hand using the hand icon, that you always stay on mute. You only unmute yourself when you're called on, because we're being respectful students. Remember, we're working on Hotspot. Your deadline was this Saturday to complete 100 lessons, but now we're going to start working towards a new incentive. Ms. Catwell will come up with the new ones. Boys and girls, work hard. At least do 3 lessons a day. By the end of the day, what is our objective? This is what we need to learn in today's lessons. I can change 10 ones for 1 10, 10 tens for 100, and 10 hundreds for 1,000. This is where my favorite word comes, the word bundle. We're changing them, boys and girls. Your turn to read the objective. Yes, and it's extremely important that you memorize and remember the following rules. 10 ones is the same thing as 1 10. 10 tens is the same thing as 100. And 10 hundreds is the same thing as 1,000, boys and girls. This fact is always applying. You will use it from here all the way to college when you're in math class, boys and girls. Okay, let's start. What are the important words that we're going to use in today's lesson? Ones, tens, and 100. And we've been practicing all this word for the past 12 lessons. The word that we're going to be practicing today a lot is bundling. And bundling means putting units together to make a larger unit. So for example, I have 10 ones. I put them together, I bundle them, and I make 1 10. So it's important that we go over the key points. What are we going to do today? So I'm going to review them and then we write them in the spiral, boys and girls. Here are key points. Key point number 1, label the place value chart. You should already know that's the first thing you do every time you see a number, so that way you know the value of each number. Number 2, you're going to model the number given, but this time now you're going to model it in the place value chart. Then we're going to change it for a longer unit if needed, boys and girls. So are you ready? We're using place value disc. Since we're not in class, we have to draw them, boys and girls. You have 10 seconds to get book number 2. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. To open it to page 190. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, boys and girls, remember we always write our key points. So what I write, you write key points. Okay, remember the first step that you always do, boys and girls, is label the place value chart. After you label the place value chart, boys and girls, you are going to model the number given in the place value chart. And the last step is that you change for larger unit. And we're going to talk more about this. Change for larger unit if you can. And I'll tell you why. I'm going to give you 2 more minutes to finish writing the key points. Go. Thirty seconds left. Okay, boys and girls. So now that we already talked about what important words and how we're going to do to solve it today. Let's talk about why it's important to learn this concept. We're learning to change a larger unit. It helps you to know how much change you need to give back to a person when you're buying something. Let's say you go to the store and you have $5 and the toy you want costs $3. So you need to make sure you know how much money you need to get back. Or here's another example. This is why we're practicing doing this. You have $18 and the toy you want costs 20. So you need to know how much money you need to get to make a new bundle to get to the $20. So let's start. Okay, boys and girls, show me 10 ones and 2 vertical columns of 5. The 10 frame way on your place value chart. Look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are the 10 ones, and I made 2 columns. This is column 1, this is column 2 of 5. What is the value of your 10 ones? Get ready. Yes, 10. 10 potatoes, boys and girls? No, what is it? Get ready. Yes, 10 ones. Can you change 10 ones to a larger unit? Get ready. Yes. What unit can you make? Get ready. Yes, a 10. I can bundle all those 10 ones, put them together, and I change them for a 10. So I changed 10 ones for 110. Did you put 110 to the left or to the right? To the left? I'm sorry, to the right or to the left? Get ready. Yes, to the left. Yes, boys and girls, on the place value chart, the numbers get bigger to the left. Look at this chart. Look at this arrow. It's even pointing and explaining that every time we go to the unit to the left, the number keeps on getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Now we're gonna skip count by tens on your place value chart until we have 10 tens. Are you ready? Here we go. We have 110. Look, this is 110. 2 tens. 3 tens. 4 tens. 5 tens. And I stop because I make it in a group of 5. In a column of 5. 6 tens. 7 tens. 8 tens. 9 tens. 10 tens. Just like our bundles, bills, and blocks, this allows us to see how much work the numbers work. Think about it. What do you see there? Can you make a larger unit? Get ready. Yes, we can bundle it, boys and girls. What larger unit do you see? Yes, hundreds. Okay. We're going to skip count by hundreds on your place value chart until we place 10 hundreds. 100, 200, 300s, 400s, 500s, and you stop right there because when we're drawing in group of 5. 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Can you see a larger unit? Look at it. Can we change it? Get ready. Yes. We can bundle those 10 hundreds. And what new unit do we make, boys and girls? Get ready. Okay, boys and girls, our objective for today is changing 10 ones for 110, 10 tens for 100, and 10 hundreds for 1,000. And we do that when we're counting. So, this is my place value chart. I'm not drawing them today for time, but in class we will. So the first thing that I need to do is label the place value chart with HTO. Then, this is what we need to do. We need to count from 284 to 200. So I'm going to put the 4 ones in the ones place. Then I put the 8 tens and the tens place. That's why it's important to label always the constant. So I put the 8 tens. Remember, we always put them in group of ones. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Make sure you're able to see it. 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, and the number has it's 200. Then I have 100 and 200. I already have 284 with my place value disc. I need to count. Ready? And I start with ones. So look at here. It says I need to get from 284 to 190. 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290. And I'm going to stop right there, boys and girls, and look at this. Did I make a larger unit? Yes or no? Get ready? Yes, I changed 10 ones and I changed them for 110 right here. So let's look at here. Yes, I changed them and I made 110. Now I have 290 and I need to get to 300. Ready? 290, 300. Look at my place value chart. I have 10 tens and the tens place value. And I can, boys and girls. What should I do? Yes, I need to change it and bundle it, make a new one, and I change it for 100, boys and girls. Now, you don't have this. You are only looking at it. And I changed it and I made 100. Okay, boys and girls? Now, I'm going to count to the number 347. 300. Then I have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 347. Now, I need to make a new unit. Let's see, 347. So, look at this, boys and girls, 347. Did I make a larger unit at 347, boys and girls? Yes or no? Get ready? No. So I can put here no. But how many more do I need to make a larger unit? How many? Yes, 3. So right here, do I need 3 ones or do I need 3 tens? Well, I need 3 ones. Now, let's see if we can do it without looking at the 100 chart, or the place value chart. I'm at 370. Did I make a larger unit? Yes, I made a new 10. Because, look, I don't have any ones left over, and I'm looking at the 10 and it's a new one. Now let's look at the next one. 400. Did I make a larger unit? Yes, I did. Did I make a new 10? Look at the 10s. No, I didn't. I made one new 100, boys and girls. Now I wanted to look at this one. I'm at the number 435. Did I make a larger unit? Yes or no, boys and girls? No, I did not. Think about it. How many more ones do I need to make the next 10? And I can look right here if this is a 5. And I'm going to model it for you. If I have 400, there's the 400, and then 10, 20, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 435. Can I make a larger unit there? No, I can't. Look. How many ones do I need? Yes, I need 5 more ones so I can bundle it and get one new 10. Okay, boys and girls, we'll continue working a problem like this in class. And now I want you to open your Learn book to page 193. What page? Yes, page 193. This is the work that you're going to submit. I want you to circle number 1, circle number 2, and those are the problems. All the problems in 1 and all the problems in 2 you are going to submit today at the end of class. Thank you for your hard work, and we'll see you in live class. Bye.
Yes, 1,000.